Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be discussing Accenture's massive AI training expansion with Anthropic Claude, Google's reveal of Android XR smart glasses codenamed Project Aura, and Time magazine naming the architects of AI as Person of the Year for 2025. Accenture is going all in on enterprise AI training with a major multi-year expansion focused on Anthropic's Claude models. The consulting giant announced plans to train approximately 30,000 staff members on Claude, making this the largest AI deployment in the company's history. The training program specifically emphasizes Claude Code, which is designed for integrating AI agents into enterprise workflows. This means developers and consultants across Accenture's global workforce will learn how to build and deploy AI-powered solutions that can assist with code generation and delivery processes for their clients. What makes this move notable is that it complements Accenture's recently announced large-scale ChatGPT Enterprise training program. Rather than betting on a single AI provider, Accenture is clearly pursuing a multi-vendor strategy to support diverse client needs. Different organizations have different requirements, and by training their workforce across multiple leading AI platforms, Accenture positions itself to offer tailored solutions regardless of which AI ecosystem a client prefers. Accenture's CEO described this as a significant expansion of our existing relationship with Anthropic. The focus on code generation workflows suggests that Accenture sees AI-assisted development as a core capability for modern enterprise consulting, and they are investing heavily to ensure their teams can deliver on that promise. Google made waves this weekend by unveiling its Android XR smart glasses, internally known as Project Aura. These glasses feature optical see-through technology with a 70-degree field of view, designed specifically for overlaying digital content onto real-world environments. Android Central reported that Google made waves by unveiling its Android XR smart glasses, positioning this as a significant hardware announcement. The optical see-through approach means wearers look directly at the real world, while digital elements appear layered on top, rather than viewing everything through a screen or camera feed. The 70-degree field of view is a meaningful specification, because it determines how much of your peripheral vision can display digital content. A wider field of view generally creates a more immersive and natural experience when interacting with augmented reality elements. Project Aura fits into Google's broader hardware and AI ecosystem updates, suggesting the company is positioning these glasses as a platform for future multimodal experiences. This could mean voice interactions powered by Google's AI assistants, real-time translation overlays, navigation prompts, or contextual information about objects and places you encounter. While details remain limited, the reveal signals Google's continued investment in wearable computing and its vision for how AI can enhance everyday physical experiences through lightweight, accessible hardware. Time magazine announced its 2025 Person of the Year selection, honoring what they call the architects of AI. The recognition prominently highlighted Nvidia's Jensen Huang among the leading figures driving artificial intelligence forward. This choice by Time reflects the publication's assessment of how profoundly AI has transformed industries and daily life over the past year. The Time coverage notes that AI adoption surged across sectors, with ChatGPT alone reaching 800 million users worldwide. That number captures the extraordinary speed at which these tools have moved from research projects to mainstream applications used by hundreds of millions of people for work, creativity, learning, and everyday tasks. The recognition also touches on global AI competition and evolving regulatory landscapes as governments worldwide grapple with how to approach this technology. Time's feature acknowledges both the breakthroughs and the challenges, including concerns around misinformation and mental health implications. However, the decision to name AI's architects as Person of the Year fundamentally recognizes the scale of change these individuals and their organizations have driven. Jensen Huang's prominence in the selection makes sense, given Nvidia's central role in providing the computational infrastructure that powers virtually all modern AI systems. The chips and hardware his company produces form the backbone of AI training and deployment across the industry. These developments paint a picture of AI becoming deeply embedded across enterprise operations, consumer hardware, and cultural recognition. Accenture's training initiative shows how major corporations are restructuring their entire workforces around AI capabilities, treating proficiency with these tools as essential rather than optional. Google's Project Aura demonstrates that AI is moving beyond screens and into wearable form factors that blend digital intelligence with physical reality. And Time's selection reflects a broader acknowledgement that the people building these systems have fundamentally shaped how billions of people will work, communicate, and live. The pace of adoption and the scale of investment signal that organizations across every sector are moving quickly to integrate these capabilities, and the infrastructure to support even more ambitious applications continues to expand.
Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.